Hello and welcome to my class English with Teacher Ju. And today we are going to study much, many, some, and any. Model 2, Unit 6. Alright, so what you need to have is first one is your English book and turn to page 59. And second one is a pencil so you can write down anything while you're watching this video. And 3, an eraser to erase your mistake and don't make your book dirty. So today's learning objectives are you will learn the meanings of much, many, some, and any, and learn how to use much, many, some, any correctly. So we're gonna take a look for these two first, okay? First one is much, second one is many. So what are the differences between much and many? Alright, so the word much and many means a lot. แปลว่ามาก okay? A lot. First one, much. When do we use much? So if a noun is an uncountable noun, we use much. So we use much in affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and question sentence. Affirmative ประโยคบอกเล่า Negative ประโยคปฏิเสธ and question. Okay, so these are examples of much, using much with uncountable noun. Okay, first one is much money, much ink. So money, ink are uncountable noun. Next one, many. So when do we use many? So if a noun is a plural and countable nouns, we use many. And we also use many in affirmative, negative, and question sentences. And these are some examples of using many with a plural and countable nouns. First one, many friends. Second one, many books. So friends and books are plural nouns and these are countable nouns. So let's practice, okay? So when to use much and when to use many. Okay, เราจะใช้ much กับอะไร เราจะใช้ many กับอะไร Alright. T, lions, salts, trees. Okay, T is uncountable noun. Lion is plural and countable noun. Salt is uncountable noun. Trees is plural and countable nouns. So when do we use much and many? So T, we use much or many. Lions, we use much or many. Salt, we use much or many. Trees, we use much or many. First one, T. T, we use much. Much tea. Okay, salt. So salt is uncountable noun. We use much salt. Number 3, lions. So lions are countable noun and it's in plural form. So we use many lions and many trees. Next one, ducks, water, pens, and ink. So when do we use many or much? So many with duck because duck is countable noun and it's in plural form. Pens, we use many. Pens is pen is countable noun and it's in plural form. So ducks and pens use many. Many ducks, many pens. Much water, much ink because water and ink are uncountable noun and these two words in plural form. Okay, let's make a conclusion for these two. Okay, first one is much, second one is many. So when do we use much? We use much with an uncountable noun in affirmative, negative, and question sentences. Many, we use many with a plural and countable nouns in affirmative, negative, and question sentences. Okay? Next one. The word some and any we use with plural nouns and uncountable noun. Okay? So some and any. In English, in Thai means บ้างหรือนิดหน่อย Alright? So when do we use some? So some we use with a plural and an uncountable noun in positive sentences. Okay? For example, I have much pens. Or she has some sweets. Okay, she has some sweets. Any we use with a plural and uncountable nouns in negative sentence or question. Okay? We use any in a negative and question sentences. For example, I don't have any pen. Don't, it's a negative sentence. I don't have any pens. Does she have any sweets? Okay, question mark. Does she have any sweets? Any used with negative sentence ประโยคปฏิเสธ and question ประโยคคำถาม Okay, let's practice. We use some or we use any. My teacher has some pen. Okay, we use some with this one because pen it's countable noun. And we use with some, okay, some. Next one, any. My teacher doesn't have any pens. So doesn't is a negative sentence เป็นประโยคปฏิเสธ Do you have brothers or sisters? As you can see here is a question mark. So with a question sentence we use any. She gave me candies. So candies is a noun. So this is affirmative sentence. So we use some. She gave me some candies. Alright, let's conclude these two. Okay, first one is some and second one is any. Some is used with a plural and uncountable nouns in positive sentence only. Positive ประโยคบอกเล่า Any is used with a plural and uncountable nouns in negative and question sentences. So turn to page number 59. Let's practice how to use when to use many and much. Okay, tea, bees, chickens, oil. So we use much with tea because tea is uncountable noun and bees is we use many bees. Chicken is it's countable noun in plural form, many chickens. Oil is uncountable noun, so we use much. Page 60. Okay. There are new books on the desk. So we use many or much. So new books. So a books is countable noun in plural form. So we use many new book. Okay. So first one we use many new books. There is jam in the jar. So jam is uncountable noun. So when uncountable noun we use much. Is there milk in the glass? Is there milk in the glass? Milk, it's a liquid thing, right? So we use much. Is there much milk in the glass? And number 4, an old man has not shirts. Shirts is countable noun in a plural form, so we use many. Okay, page 61. Okay, this is when to use many or when to use much. Okay, in these two sentences, how many children are there in the pool? So children is countable noun, we use many. So children is also in a plural form. So we use are. If it's a singular noun, we use is. Okay. And also uncountable noun, we use is. How? This is sugar. So sugar is uncountable noun. We use much. How much sugar is there? How much sugar is there? Page 62. Let's practice when to use some and when to use any. I have candies. I don't have candies. Do you have candies? I have sweets. So this one is affirmative sentence. So we use some. I have some candies. Number 2, it's ประโยคปฏิเสธ negative sentence. So we use any. I don't have any candies. Number 3, do you have candies? So this is a question. So a question, we use any. Do you have any candies? And number 4, I have sweet. This is affirmative sentence. So we use I have some sweets. Alright? Page 62 and 63. Much they food and water have. Ink have I much. So rearrange these sentences. Number 1. They have much food and water. So much we use with uncountable noun. Alright? Ink have I much. So I have much ink. I have much ink. So much we use with uncountable noun. So ink is uncountable noun. Alright, thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy my video. I see you guys again in my next class. Bye bye. Have a nice one.